Hello friends, myself Umang Sharma, and in this video I am going to explain my mobile application development lab experiment number 1. So my first experiment is metric converter. So in this experiment what I am going to do, I am going to convert meters into centimeter. So I will show you my program in Android Studio. First I show you my design layout. So what in design I am using? I am using table layout. In table layout, I am using text view and edit view. You can see this is my text view, and then we have a edit view. So edit text. So what I am using text view for giving a display message, that is meter, and then edit text I am using for taking input from the user. And second, edit text I will set the values. Output I will set, and when I am using one button. So everything we need to give ID. So for text view I am giving ID. Uh, I am edit text I am giving ID as a ID1, and text I am displaying as a meter. Then after that I am using text view. Text is centimeter. After that I am using ID as a I edit 2. So and one button. In button I am giving with as wrap content, height also wrap content. Button ID I am giving as a button, and I set the layout gravity center, and text I am displaying on the button as a convert. So when user will after that, what in main activity we need to extend app compact activity, and for every view we need to create a object for edit Ex-1 to button, and this two variable I am using for my purpose, and one is string. So whenever this activity will call, by default it will call on create method. So what on create method, what I am using, first I need to attach my all the objects with edit text find view by ID. Then we need to give here ID, and we need to do, and then button, then find view by id button. So when in this you can see, when we'll click button, it need to call some method. So what it need to do some action. So what, when it's clicking that convert button, so what I am doing, I am calling this method. So what this method is doing, first is taking even first value from my edit text, whose id as a edit, you can see edit one. So that is edit text one. So edit text one dot get text to string. So what it will do, it will take the this text from the user, and it will convert to string. And because it is my even is a integer, so what I am doing, I am changing into integer. For that I am using integer dot parse int. So we know that 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. We know 1 meter is by default 100 centimeters. So what, every value I am multiplying with 100, and my string I am concording with my values. And edit text 2, that is my second edit text, I am setting value as a my output as s. So I'll show you my output. Now it's launched. So here first I am giving my value. So what, when I'll click some this button, it will set my value as a 100. Now again I'm 500. So that's all for this experiment number 1. I hope you understand. Thank you.